By the end of this video, you'll learn about the characteristics of AR for mobile apps. You might be thinking, how is a mobile app different from social media? For this video, we will assume a mobile app would be for a gaming experience. So, what makes AR on mobile apps one of a kind? Developers for AR on a mobile app tend to have tighter controls and fewer constraints than for AR in social media. They are able to develop AR functionality that closely ties with more niche use cases. There are fewer capabilities on AR for mobile apps, but it can be developed for explicit goals and be well executed for the experience of the user. AR for mobile apps can create overhead in terms of building the app itself and the infrastructure in the app that supports the AR experience. This could make your development of the experience get pricey and quick. You'll need to train your own computer vision models or recognizers, if those capabilities don't already currently exist. You would train your computer to interpret and understand the visual world. If they don't, you will need to develop these first before you can get started on the fun stuff. Your AR experience reach to users on a mobile app may be more limited than if you were to develop on social media or the web, due to the likelihood of a smaller audience. Take this into consideration when developing the experience. You also need to ask yourself, what will this mean for your cost-benefit analysis? It's important for people to pay you to download the app in the first place.